Take a ride in the 2025 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.